Orientation to the Reports module. In this video, we're going to give you an overview of the Reports module in ChildFriendly. Begin by navigating to Reports from the menu on the left. At the top, you'll find various report categories. To access attendance-related reports, choose Attendance. For enrollment and registration reports, select Enrollment. Additionally, there are options for safety, finance, region-specific, and miscellaneous reports. There are also custom reports, which you can request be created by one of our developers, although this incurs an additional cost. Next, note that each main category contains subtabs with their applicable report below. Take a moment to explore each section. Notice that there is a filter section at the top tailored to the specific report you are viewing. For every report, settings can be found on the right. By clicking the gear icon, you can choose custom columns to decide which columns are visible. Let's look at an example with the payroll report. First, select the pay period and click Apply. Then you can select which columns to display. If you only wish to see certain columns, such as staff names, select them and click Apply to update your view. To export a report, you can do so from the bottom left corner.